Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 12 pronoun. Okay. So what is pronoun? Word used in place of a noun is known as a pronoun. Pronoun are used to avoid repetition of noun. Okay. For example, Selvi is absent because she is ill. Okay. Selvi is absent because she is ill. So in this example, she stands for Selvi, isn't it? So the word Selvi is a noun, therefore she is a pronoun. Understand? So like this, he, she, it, they, we, you are called pronoun. So if we do not use pronoun, we will have to mention noun again and again. Our sentence look very awkward, isn't it? So we should use pronoun while we make the sentence. Okay. Now we know that what is pronoun. Next we are going to see kinds of pronoun. Okay. There are different kinds of pronoun. Let's see. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun. Okay. Okay, first we are going to see personal pronoun. Okay, so what is personal pronoun? A pronoun that stands for person or thing is called a personal pronoun. Okay, so personal pronoun can be divided 3 person: first person, second person, third person. Okay, first person, subject singular plural, object singular plural. Let's see. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, those are subject singular plural. Okay, next object singular plural, me, us. I become me, we become us. Okay, you become you only, he become him, she become her, it become it. Okay, so those are called personal object pronoun. Okay, let's see some example. I was here first. Please give me the ticket. So here it is. There are two sentences. Let's see. In the first, I refers to first person. Okay. I subject, that is first person. Please give me the ticket. So me, that is object. Okay. That is object pronoun. Let's see second example. You are going to the library. May I give the books to you? Okay. So here also there are two sentences. So you, that is second person. You refers to subject. In this sentence, may I give the books to you? Okay, this you refers to object pronoun. Understand? I hope you understand what is personal pronoun. So what is personal pronoun? A pronoun that stands for person or things is called a personal pronoun. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see possessive pronoun. Okay, so what is possessive pronoun? A pronoun that shows position is called a possessive pronoun. Okay, let's see some example. Possessive pronouns such as mine, us, yours, his, hers, theirs, its, those are called possessive pronoun. Okay, let's see some example. The black horse is his. Okay, the black horse is his. These tables are ours. These tables are ours. So his, ours refer possessive pronoun. Okay. Then what is difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective? Let's see. His horse is black. Okay. Let's see some example. His horse is black. These are our tables. These are our tables. Okay. So in the above the sentences, the words his, are refer possessive adjective. Okay, so why did I say possessive adjective? Possessive adjective used with a noun. Okay, possessive adjective used with a noun, but possessive pronoun comes after the noun. Okay, possessive pronoun comes after the noun. That is difference between them. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so what is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out the object pronoun. Okay, let's see. So demonstrative pronouns such as this, that, those, such. So those refer demonstrative pronoun. Okay, let's see some example. So here it is, I have written two sentences. Let's see. This is my pencil. Okay, this is my pencil. These are your pens. These are your pens. So in the above the sentences, the words this, these, those refer demonstrative pronoun. Then what is difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective? Okay, let's see some example. This pencil is mine. Okay, this pencil is mine. These pens are yours. Okay, these pens are yours. Okay, so in the above the sentences, the words this, these, those refer demonstrative adjective. So why did I say those are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives used with a noun. Okay, demonstrative adjectives used with a noun, but demonstrative pronoun point out the object. Okay, demonstrative pronoun point out the object. Understand? That is difference between them. Okay, so what is demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is used to refer to point out the object. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, next we are going to see interrogative pronoun. Okay, so what is interrogative pronoun? An interrogative pronoun asks a question but stands alone. It does not describe a noun. Okay, let's see. Interrogative pronoun such as what, which, when, whose, who, those are interrogative pronoun. Okay, let's see some example. What should I buy for you? Sorry, what should I buy for you Christmas? Okay, who is that? Who is that? So in the above the sentences, the words what, who, okay, those are called interrogative pronoun. Then what is difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective? Okay, let's see some example. Which color looks better? Which color looks better? Whose car is that? Okay, whose car is that? So in the above the examples, which, whose are interrogative adjectives. So interrogative adjectives ask a question as it is describing a noun, the color. Okay, so interrogative adjective ask a question as it is describing a noun, but interrogative pronoun, here it is what and whose, those are do not describe a noun, those stands alone, isn't it? So that what and who are interrogative pronoun. Understand? So what is difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective? Interrogative pronoun asks a question but stands alone. It does not describe a noun. Okay, but interrogative adjective asks a question as it is describing the noun. Okay, that is difference between them. Understand? Thank you, students.